Return methods to the charging station. When the battery is low or at the end of its working session, the robot detects the perimeter wire, positions its wheels on top of it, and follows it in a clockwise direction to return to the charging station. This return mode is called follow wire. The robot can also return to the charging station with a second mode called V-meter. It rebounds along the wire at a maximum distance of 1 meter from it, and consequently always finds a different return route. The V-meter mode is recommended in case of soft ground. It actually keeps the robot's wheels from tracing the ground, as it would if it was to always cover the same return route. A recall on the wire has to be set 4 to 10 meters before the charging station in order for the robot to stop rebounding and instead follow the wire to correctly re-enter the charging station. To create a recall on the wire, lay down about 2 meters of wire towards the inside of the garden. Go back with another 2 meters towards the perimeter. The outgoing and incoming wires should be at a distance of 5 centimeters from one another. The recall on the wire also helps the robot go through narrow passages, or take a correct way through a path. In case of a narrow passage crossing, the robot will follow the wire closely for 10 meters and then start rebounding again. The robot's advanced software also includes the optimized function called Quick Reentry for rapid return to the charging station. The quick reentry to the charging station consists in a particular wire arrangement. When the robot meets this arrangement on the wire, it turns 90 degrees, leaves the wire, and meets it again on the other side of the garden, therefore shortening the reentry route to the charging station. You should determine the ideal places where to install the quick reentry points before placing the actual wire. The quick reentry has to be placed where the 90-degree turn will allow the robot to shorten its route back to the station. After turning 90 degrees, the robot should not encounter any obstacles so as to not nullify the quick return benefit. Check the route beforehand. To create a quick reentry point, shape out a triangle with the perimeter wire. The two sides of wire must be 40 centimeters long, while the distance between the two nails creating the triangle must be 50 centimeters. Check to make sure there are about 2 meters of straight wire before and after the quick reentry point. If you choose the V-meter return mode of the robot to the charging station, remember to place recalls on the wire 4 to 10 meters before each quick reentry point in order to help the robot meet it.